In the quiet solitude of his study, René Descartes begins his revolutionary journey by questioning the very fabric of reality. Surrounded by candlelight and the tools of his trade, quill, ink, and parchment, he contemplates the nature of existence. This moment captures the birth of modern philosophy, where doubt becomes the foundation for seeking undeniable truths. The skull on his desk serves as a stark reminder of mortality, urging him to find certainty in an uncertain world. In 1619, Descartes experiences a series of vivid dreams that would forever alter the course of his philosophy. These dreams, filled with geometric shapes and divine revelations, inspire his quest for indubitable knowledge. He interprets them as a sign to unify all sciences under the certainty of mathematics. This pivotal moment marks the transition from medieval scholasticism to the rationalist approach that defines the Enlightenment. By 1637, Descartes formalizes his revolutionary approach in Discourse on the Method. He outlines 4 rules. Never accept anything as true without evidence. Divide problems into smaller parts. Proceed from simple to complex, and review thoroughly. His method rejects blind faith, advocating for systematic doubt and reason. The manuscript-covered desk, compass, and geometric diagrams symbolize the marriage of philosophy and science. Descartes pushes doubt to its limits with the evil demon thought experiment. What if an omnipotent deceiver manipulates our senses, rendering all perceptions false? This radical skepticism challenges even mathematical truths. Yet it sets the stage for his breakthrough. If the demon deceives me, I must exist to be deceived. The shadowy figure looming over a globe represents the omnipresent threat of illusion. Amidst the chaos of doubt, Descartes discovers the unshakable truth. Cogito ergo sum. I think, therefore I am. Even if an evil demon deceives him, the act of thinking confirms his existence as a conscious being. This epiphany, illuminated by a sudden beam of light, becomes the bedrock of modern philosophy. The phrase, scribbled hastily on parchment, symbolizes the triumph of reason over uncertainty. The cogito leads Descartes to dualism, the division of mind res cogitans and body res extensa. The mind, a non-physical thinking substance, interacts mysteriously with the mechanical body. An anatomical sketch of the brain alongside a ghostly figure illustrates this dichotomy. Critics later challenge this separation, but Descartes' framework dominates discussions on consciousness for centuries. Descartes' wax experiment demonstrates how senses deceive. A melting wax's properties, scent, texture, change, yet reason knows it remains wax. This proves knowledge comes from intellect, not perception. The scene shows him observing wax drip onto a table, his brow furrowed in analysis. The experiment critiques empiricism, reinforcing rationalism's supremacy in grasping essence beyond appearances. Descartes revolutionizes mathematics by uniting algebra and geometry. His Cartesian plane, with perpendicular x and y axes, allows equations to be visualized as curves. Graph paper filled with parabolas and circles lies before him, a testament to his belief that the universe operates on mathematical laws. This innovation bridges abstract reasoning and the physical world, influencing Newton and Leibniz. In 1649, Descartes tutors Queen Christina of Sweden, whose rigorous 5 a.m. lessons strain his health. The frostbitten palace, austere and grand, contrasts with his delicate constitution. Despite the harsh climate, he shares his philosophy, cementing his influence among Europe's elite. This chapter underscores the clash between intellectual ambition and physical limits, foreshadowing his demise. Descartes dies in 1650, but his cogito lives on. Modern students pore over his texts, while his tombstone bears the immortal words. His dualism, rationalism, and methodological doubt shape fields from AI to psychology. The camera pans from his grave to a university lecture hall, where a professor explains his enduring relevance, proof that his quest for certainty transcended his era.